Tired of mediocre coffee? Transform mornings with cafe-quality espresso. Meet the De'Longhi Magnifica Plus. Ching. Your barista at home? Busy morning? One-touch recipes deliver perfect coffee in seconds. Dinner guests serve lattes and cappuccinos without missing conversation. Work from home? Keep focus with consistent espresso shots anytime. 18 one-touch recipes include lattes, cappuccinos, americanos, iced coffee. Choose from 4 sizes and 5 intensity levels instantly. Built-in conical burr grinder grinds fresh beans for every cup. 13 grinder settings tune grind fineness to your espresso style. Precise dosing and consistent grind maximize flavor and aroma. Latte Crema technology automatically froths milk and milk alternatives perfectly. 3 froth textures, light, creamy, dense, personalize every cup. Automatic milk steam wand delivers consistent temperature and texture. Full touch 3.5-inch color display keeps navigation smooth and intuitive. Soft touch buttons and clear prompts guide drink customization effortlessly. Smart one-touch intelligence learns and lists your favorites first. Save up to 4 user profiles with personal settings. Each profile stores size, intensity, and milk preferences quickly. Want iced coffee? The system brews and chills it effortlessly. Real cafe quality, crema, balanced extraction, aromatic body every time. Cleaning is easy with detachable dishwasher-safe parts and auto-clean. Minimal maintenance gives you more time enjoying coffee, not cleaning. Compact design fits kitchen counters without sacrificing performance. Quiet grinder operation preserves peace in morning routines. Energy-efficient standby mode reduces power when idle automatically. Advanced brewing unit calibrates pressure, temperature, and extraction precisely. Conical burr ensures uniform particle size for even extraction. Adjust grind and intensity to highlight bean origin notes. Consistent dosing prevents bitterness and preserves delicate aromatics. Latte Crema system produces stable microfoam for latte art and texture. 3 froth options adapt to dairy and plant-based milks. Intuitive menu reduces learning curve for new users quickly. Smart suggestions show most used drinks first, save time. Perfect for home baristas wanting professional control, not complexity. Imagine waking up to freshly ground espresso automatically brewed. Customize your morning. Stronger espresso or silky latte in seconds. Entertaining becomes seamless with quick one-touch multiple drink selections. No barista required. Professional results at the press of button. Savor consistent taste whether single shot or double espresso. Busy professionals reclaim time without compromising on coffee quality. Coffee lovers explore single-origin beans and personalized recipes easily. Create restaurant-level froth for cappuccinos and velvety latte macchiatos. The grinder unlocks flavor complexity from each fresh roasted bean. Save favorites to profiles. Wake to your ideal cup instantly. Smart menu shortens selection time during busy mornings and meetings. Safety features and reliable build ensure long-term use at home. Stylish stainless finish complements modern kitchens elegantly and discreetly. Detailed touchscreen feedback walks you through maintenance steps cleanly. Detachable brew unit and drip tray make upkeep fast and hygienic. Dishwasher-safe parts free up time for better morning rituals. Ready to upgrade your coffee routine to cafe standards? The Magnifica Plus brings professional brewing into your kitchen instantly. Easy setup, intelligent profiles, and one-touch convenience await you. Taste the difference of freshly ground espresso every morning effortlessly. Discover De'Longhi Magnifica Plus today. Upgrade your coffee. Click to learn more or bring cafe-level coffee home. Join countless home baristas enjoying consistent professional results daily. Make every cup intentional, flavorful, and exactly how you prefer. If you are interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.